Throughout some of our videos, we've already gone over how to get your body ready for turns and prepping in other ways. Today is all about that push off though. And I have a close up shot of some of our options of how we press off. Once you've mastered the whole balance flat and releve, and then you practice each of those quarter turns and everything, you start working on the full. One of the key dynamics is how we prepare every single one of those turns. You need to be pretty fast. If you're doing a retire or a passe pirouette, you need to be able to have your working foot snap directly to your knee. It's not allowed to take a vacation and bypass anywhere else. It's got to go straight up the shin and up to your knee. As you're turning in dances like especially salsa, you need to be able to control your limbs and really have your feet melt off the floor and get you around. Now, tomorrow we're talking about our body alignment and making that all happen together. But today is about that prep. Today is all about detail your foot. We talk about how to prepare our bodies for this stuff, but the next dynamic is kind of more the physics side of things. And I've had some very interesting questions from my dancers over the years, one of which is how to turn. And it's all in that prep. You cannot overthink it. I don't care how you have to go about it. That's where sometimes singing the ABCs in your head comes into play, because then you can kind of distract yourself a little bit. The whole push off comes from melting your heel off the ground to that demi point, and it's just about building that speed. You get the next push, that force that gets you around comes from your plie. We're going to talk later on about issues that arise where we talk about kind of pre-lifting and winding up and things like that that can go awry. So you need to find it internally, building up that oomph to use your plie, use that foot. Reason today you're going to see just my feet for the rest of this video. Tomorrow we're diving into even more detail about our alignment. I will see you then.